Sterilizing your baby's bottle is a way of keeping it extra clean. This is important because you want to keep any potential harmful germs or bacteria away from your baby. In this video, we'll show you how to sterilize a baby bottle in several different ways so that you can use the technique that works best for you. It's best to clean your bottle after every use and sterilize at least once per day, especially during baby's first year when their immune system is still developing. Start by washing the bottles, nipples, and rings with warm soapy water. Then place them in a pot of boiling water and boil for at least 5 minutes. Use clean tongs to remove the bottles and let them air dry on a clean towel. Mix a solution of 1 teaspoon of unscented bleach per quart of water. It's important to use unscented bleach, as scented bleach may contain additional chemicals that can be harmful to your baby. Wash your bottles as shown before, and then fully submerge the bottles, nipples, and rings in the bleach solution. Make sure all parts are completely covered by the solution. Let them soak for at least 2 minutes. After the bottles have soaked for 2 minutes, remove them from the bleach solution and rinse them thoroughly with clean water. Be sure to rinse them well to ensure there is no bleach residue left. Finally, let them air dry on a clean towel or drying rack. Be sure to use this method in a well-ventilated area and keep bleach out of reach of children. Steam is generally a more effective way to kill pathogens that could harm your baby. Simply wash the bottles as before and then place them in the steam sterilizer or dishwasher, leaving plenty of room between each component. Bottle sterilizers can be one of the most convenient ways to sterilize a bottle. If you choose to buy one, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more general parenting tips and visit us at enfamil.com.